There are so many benefits to having business credit cards. Let's dive into some of those benefits and let's also briefly discuss what qualifies you as a business. You ready to talk about it? Well, let's go ahead. Let's tap in. Let's get into it. Business credit cards are for anyone who have a business. Anything that brings you additional income can be considered a business. Let me give you a couple of examples. If you drive for Uber, if you do Uber Eats, if you have side contracting work that produces additional income for you, that can be considered and give you the ability to apply for business credit cards. Now that you know this, and now that you can determine whether or not you are operating a business, now let's look at some of the advantages and the benefits of having business credit cards so that you can begin to take advantage of having them. The first benefit we want to talk about today is that business credit cards gives you easy access to capital to utilize for your business. Getting business credit cards are typically a lot easier than you getting business loans or you getting investments for your business. And the reason why I say that is when you apply for business credit cards, you typically know instantly whether or not you're approved. And a lot of times you don't have to provide additional paperwork to prove your business history or prove your business cash flow in order to be approved. And so when you apply for business credit cards and you get it, that's your entryway to having capital for your business so that you can be successful. All right. And sometimes those business credit cards come with 0% introductory interest rates that will allow your business to function same as cash. In other words, you don't have to pay that additional interest for the months that you're allowed so that you don't have to dish out additional cash out of your business. Let me give you an example. If your business is inventory heavy and you need capital in order to purchase that inventory, you can utilize that business credit card to purchase that inventory, turn around and sell it, and then pay your bill off. But in the event that you're not able to pay your bill off entirely and you have a balance left over, that 0% introductory interest rate will come in handy because it won't add on any additional interest to that balance, causing you to pay more money, and you can just pay that balance off once you sell some more inventory. So, with that being the case, business credit cards are an awesome way to get access to additional capital to run your business so that you can do it successfully. So, this is the first benefit of having business credit cards, getting easy access to capital. Do you think that's a good benefit of getting business credit cards? Getting easy access to capital to utilize for your business? I'd like to know what you think down in the comment section. Let's start a conversation about business credit cards and if you think getting easy access to capital that way is beneficial. All right. And while you're doing that, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and start sharing. Go ahead and subscribe or follow, and if you don't mind, please hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. We appreciate you guys' engagement in advance. Now, let me give you another benefit of business credit cards so that you can start using them for your business. The next benefit I like to talk to you about concerning business credit cards is that business credit cards helps you separate your personal expenses from your business expenses. Now, I want to quickly say this. I'm not a tax professional and this is not tax advice. This is just general business advice because if you're going to be operating a business, you need to keep the two separate. You need to keep your personal expenses and your business expenses separate because they should be operating independent of one another because they're two separate entities and they should be viewed as such. Okay. And if you have business credit cards, they have integrated systems that will allow for you to keep track of everything that's going on in your business so that you can have great record keeping. Okay. And great record keeping in business is absolutely important for a few reasons. Number one, when it comes to filing your taxes, you need to be able to give your tax professional or whoever does your taxes every single year accurate expenses and accurate income so that you can file your taxes properly. Next, you need to be able, or just in case you want to get business loans in the future or go into investment meetings to raise capital for your business, you need to have good records to show the viability of your business towards the bank or towards the other investors. And having these systems with business credit cards will allow you to do so because it keeps track of all of that. Okay. And some of you may be asking, well, BJ, I'm not needing to do any of that. Why should I even have to be doing any of that? Well, because you want to create good habits now because you believe that your business is going to grow, right? And so as your business grows, it's going to have a requirement of some of these things concerning these records that you're going to need to have. So you need to go ahead and start those habits now, and business credit cards will only help you do that. Okay. You're going to need profit and loss statements later on. You're going to need balance sheets later on. So why not start that process now of creating those habits so that as you grow, you will already know what you need to do. And you will already have the requirements necessary for bigger and better business. All right. So getting business credit cards can help you separate your personal expenses from your business expenses. So, do you see why some of you may need business credit cards? Have you started to change your thinking or even thought about, hey, business credit cards may be beneficial for me and my business? If you have, let's start a conversation down in the comment section. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if you appreciate us sharing with you these benefits concerning business credit cards. We really like to hear about it. So let us know down in the comment section what you're thinking. Also, if you don't know where to begin when applying for business credit cards, check the links in the comments and check the links in the description for some credit card offers that you can apply for that will get you on your way to using business credit cards. All right. So don't forget to check the links in the comments and check the links in the description. All right. We appreciate you guys for rocking out with us in this video. We appreciate you guys for hanging in with us to the end. We appreciate your engagement with this video. We really, really, really do. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.